Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Kingslim 2K Dashcam, front and rear with 64GB SD card. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2K plus 1080p dashcam front and rear camera, dual dashcam with high-speed 64GB SD card. Front-facing dash camera records 2K videos at 170 degrees, waterproof rear camera records 1080p videos at 150 degrees simultaneously. Mini hidden dashcam, 1.5-inch display for video preview. Wireless Wi-Fi dashcam. Built-in Wi-Fi for wireless connection between dashcam and smartphone. Easy downloading/reviewing videos and changing settings on app. No more need to take the car camera off the windshield to operate. Support 2 kinds parking monitor. Parking monitor with G sensor or time-lapse mode. The G sensor instantly detects sudden impacts or vibrations when your vehicle is parked, triggering recording. Time-lapse records continuously at a reduced frame rate, compressing hours of footage into a more manageable video, enabling you to review the parking period easily and spot any suspicious activities. Hardwire kit needed for 7/24 parking recording. Emergency recording and files protection. The dash camera will automatically activate to record and lock emergency videos after sensing abnormal vibration. Locked files will be automatically saved to a dedicated folder and will not be overwritten by loop recording. Unlocked files will be automatically overwritten by the latest files to achieve loop recording. Heat-resistant design for longer use life. Updated no-lithium battery design car camera, which can avoid potential safety issues such as battery swelling and overheating in hot weather that occur in other dash cams. Environmentally friendly and longer use life. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.